Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have your object selected. Now assign a material. Open Hypershade or the attribute editor and create a new material, Lambert, Fong, or Arnold AI standard surface depending on render. Click the material, then right-click and assign material to selection. Once done, name the material clearly so you don't confuse it later. This first step links a shader to the mesh. Without it, you can't change visible color. Make sure the object has correct UVs if it will use textures later. With the material selected, change the color attribute to paint the surface. If using AI standard surface, adjust base weight and base color, set specular and roughness to control highlights. You can plug an image file into color via the File node, connect through Hypershade or the material's color map slot. Once done, tweak normal or bump mapping for surface detail. Make sure to preview in a viewport with proper lighting or IPR to see how these parameters interact under your chosen renderer. You're at the finish. Preview with IPR or Arnold Render View and render a test frame. If the color looks wrong, confirm the mesh normals are correct and that the material is actually assigned to all faces. If textures don't appear, enable viewport shading hardware texturing or refresh the file node. Clear texture file paths if moved. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, right-click the object. Assign existing material again. This often fixes hidden assignment or shading engine issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.